Hey everyone, welcome to 365 Days 365 Concepts. I'm CNB Khandelwal, and today we are going to talk about management buy-in and management buyout. Let's dig in one by one. The first one, which is management buyout. Here, the current management team, that is, the people who are already running the business, they partner with the private equity firm and they purchase the company from the current owners. Let's understand why this happens. So maybe the owners they want to sell, but the management believes in the company's future and therefore they step in to purchase the company. Or the business might be undervalued currently and managers they see this as an opportunity to grow the business. We have to understand that in MBO, since the management team already knows and understand the business inside out, therefore the risk is very low and the transition is much smoother. Now, let's talk about management buy-in. Understand that if investors believe that the company needs new leadership to grow, they take management buy-in route. In this, instead of keeping the current managers, the private equity firm brings in entirely new management team to run the company. So why this route is taken? Company might be struggling and need fresh expertise, or company has potential but the current leadership is not strong enough. We have to understand that unlike MBO, MBI is much more risky as the new management they don't have any idea about the business. They have to learn about the business from scratch, but it can also bring in innovation and thus it can boost profits. I hope you have understood the concept clearly and I'll see you in the next video.